Right, well, today, the final day, has been the most exciting day for Trench 1, and as you can see, we have a cobbled surface, which is just amazing. We had a hint of it yesterday, but we were all trying not to get our hopes up, and then today we've just been able to whack out literally the rubble that was here, that we originally thought was a wall, but turns out it's not. It was just part of the rubble. And yeah, we've come down onto this beautiful surface, and strangely enough, curiously, it's got these sort of circular rubble-filled post holes, I suppose, in sort of the sense of the word. It's got lots of voids in the rubble, and it goes quite deep, and we're thinking perhaps it's a portico or an entrance or a gateway, but this is all speculation because we're not going to be able to find out, certainly not this year anyway. But a cobble surface is just the best thing to find on the last day. What confused us about the wall and the wall structure, and what made us think that we had a wall structure, is this cut that seems to go even deeper than we thought it did originally. I mean, this surface here, we thought we'd reach the bottom of it, but it turns out it's cutting right into the cobbles and going even deeper. And the sides are almost vertical, which is what is confusing so much. And it seems that perhaps we've got what seems to be a rubber trench, but they've cut out the foundations of the wall, perhaps, and they've robbed all of the face stone out, and they would have reused it in buildings around the area. So that's something we're going to be looking into. I mean, you can see the cut really nicely in section here, and you can see it very well here where the red comes up and meets with the grey, sort of mortary soil. But yeah, so this has been quite confusing and quite difficult, because the only way we could have dealt with it properly is by putting a sondage in, and it's too late in the day now to be doing something like that. We've left this layer of rubble in to show that we had a spread of rubble across the whole trench. We didn't potentially have the right amount of time to be able to deal with this side of the trench as well. So it's just lucky that the side we decided to deal with brought out this beautiful cobbled surface. But this is a good end for the 10 days that we've been digging here. So we're all very happy. It's been a very good end to the whole excavation. So yeah, come back next year because it's going to be brilliant next year.